Hi guys, welcome to Yogalates with SJ. So today we have a 5-minute core workout for women. You don't need any equipment for the workout today. We're coming down and taking a seat, bringing the soles of the feet onto the mat. You've got your knees bent and you are sitting up tall out of the sit bones. Core is engaged and a neutral pelvis here. Shoulders down and away from the ears, and as you start to inhale, sitting up tall, exhale, navel to spine as you start to straighten through the arms and tucking the tailbone slightly. Inhale, sitting up tall, exhale, navel to spine as you come back. Inhale, lifting up, exhale, lengthening the arms. Inhale, sitting up tall, exhale, navel to spine. Keeping this going, making sure the whole time you've got that core engagement. Ribs are closed, shoulders are away from the ears, relaxing the jaw, sitting up nice and tall, and then exhale as you start to hinge back. Try not to bring any tension into your hips here, so keeping all of the lower body still, but also relaxed at the same time as well. All of the connection is into those core muscles. We are blasting it out here in this 5 minutes. Next time you come back, staying here, inhale, lengthening the right arm up, circling it around, and then the left, and circle it around, and inhale, sitting up tall, exhale, navel to spine as you come back, circling the right arm, then the left, and then inhale as you sit up tall out of those sit bones, exhale, coming back, inhale, right arm circles, and then the left, and inhale, sitting up, exhale, coming back. Inhale, circling the right, and then the left. And we are keeping this going. Trying to make sure that you've got that engagement of core the whole time. Don't let it go. Trying to also find more length into the arms each time. We're also working through the shoulders here. And we are keeping length into the back of the neck. So you've got a little bit of space here between the chin and the chest. Staying here, sweeping the right arm around, then the left, and then we're doing a double circle of the arms. So both arms circle around. Inhale, sitting up tall. Exhale as you come back. Inhale, right arm circles, and then the left. Then both arms circle, keeping that engagement of core. Inhale as you sit up tall. Keep this going. So really maintaining that connection here. Don't let it go. You can come back just a little bit, or you can come back a little bit more, just making sure that the whole time you are keeping that engagement of core, belly button to spine, and you are not bringing any tension into your lower back. If you're noticing any tension coming into your low back, just sitting up a little bit taller, not hinging back as far, or maybe even taking a break. So we don't want that lower back to take over. Now we are staying here. You're starting to tuck the tailbone, chin to chest, and then inhale as you sit up tall. Exhale, navel to spine as you come back. So we are bringing a little rounding into the spine as we lengthen the arms, chin to chest, and then inhale as you sit up tall out of those sit bones and bending through the elbows. And then we are continuing here. You are finding that nice movement through the spine. Cool, and then coming all the way up, flexing the toes back towards the face, sitting up tall out of your sit bones, rolling the shoulders down and away from the ears, and engaging into the core. Inhale, sweeping the arms up. Exhale, hinging forward at the hips as you float the arms down and head comes down towards the knees. Inhale, lengthening back up. Exhale, circle sweep the arms as you bring the navel to spine and you are coming slightly back, and then inhale, lengthening up. Exhale, head to knee. Inhale, lengthening the arms up as you sit up tall. Exhale, circle sweep the arms around, navel to spine as you start to hinge back. And inhale, sitting up tall. Exhale, head to knee. And inhale, sitting up. And exhale, circle the arms around, navel to spine. Keep this going. Keeping that core fully engaged the whole time, maybe coming down a little bit lower each time. If you feel to, you might even come to a full roll down and roll up if that feels good for you today, just making sure you're not bringing any tension into the low back so you're able to maintain that engagement of core the whole time. And as we start to come to the end here, staying strong, doing amazing. This is 5 minutes, but it is a full-on 5 minutes. We are really blasting out these abs today. Let's just find one more of these. Make it your best one, and then next time you come forward, just staying here, bringing the head down towards the knees. You might grab hold of the outside of the feet or the outside of the legs and gently start to lengthen forward a little bit more. Just letting the belly come down, forehead come down, arms might relax down. Taking a few final deep breaths in through the nose and out the nose or mouth. Thank you so much for joining me. Can't wait to see you again soon. Have a great day.